Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to get your PayPal email. First, log in to your PayPal account. Once you are successfully logged in, look for the Summary or Wallet section on your main dashboard. Your primary PayPal email address, which is essential for receiving payments and managing your account, will be clearly visible there. This is the quickest way to find the email associated with your account, usually within a few seconds of logging in. If you need to see all your registered emails, access your account settings. Click the small gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. From there, navigate to the Account Information or Personal Info section. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all email addresses linked to your PayPal account, including your primary one and any secondary emails you might have added for different purposes. This section provides a complete overview. Managing your email addresses is straightforward. When you add a new email, remember to verify it by clicking the confirmation link sent to that inbox. PayPal allows you to add up to 8 different email addresses to your account, offering great flexibility for various uses. Always ensure your designated primary email is current and active, as this is where PayPal sends all critical communications, including payment notifications and security alerts, keeping you informed and secure. Your PayPal email address is incredibly versatile. You can provide it to anyone who wants to send you money, making transactions simple and direct. It also serves as your primary login credential, ensuring secure access to your account. Essentially, this email acts as your unique identifier within the entire PayPal system, linking all your activities and ensuring that funds and communications reach the correct destination. It is a central component of your PayPal experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.